This drive to make stuff and design stuff has always been a huge passion for both of us. So Joseph was a natural progression for us to start, rather than designing and making for other people, let's do it ourselves. We're frustrated with products all the time. That's what motivates us to come up with a better idea. You know, you look at something, we can make this work better.
I think there's definitely a formula we have for solving problems, and we actually, when you go into a new category, that formula is the same. And we just approach those difficult projects or those design briefs in exactly the same way. When you look at tasks in the home and trying to understand what the problems are with those tasks, you actually discover what you need to solve.
When you hear someone say, why hasn't someone thought of that before? That's obviously, you've got it right. So we're always on the hunt for that. Yeah. But our focus is always, how do we make this work better?
It's very important that a product communicates its benefit very quickly, otherwise you don't understand it.
We started off in kitchenware, but actually we've moved into waste, laundry, everything is open to us. And I think that the drive to look at lots of product areas to say we can do things better, that's what keeps us going. I think for the future, we can apply our approach to innovation and invention to areas like sustainability. How can we create new materials that are sustainable for future products, not just use what's already out there? So I think we have a responsibility not only to, in the world of sustainability, drive those things forward, but also play a part as inventors in future developments. So we're excited about all of that.